Writer is a GPT-3 based AI writing assistant. It will help you write long form content. It has a free forever plan which gives you 500 characters, which is equivalent to 800 words. They do have great reviews, but it is always welcome to try the product then believe someone else. They offer 25 plus languages and also user case. They have a lots of tones. Depending upon the tones, your text changes. And recently they have also added the Chrome extension. This feature is only available for Chrome based browsers. So if you have Chrome, then you can install it and then you can use it in anywhere. This is the dashboard. So if I am already in Writer, then I don't need the Chrome extension, but if I want to use it in some other places, then I can use it. They have mentioned these are the features which you will find. They have a chat facility. If you face any problem, you can easily chat with them. The replies are instantaneous. They have a per month based and also a yearly based payment system. If you pay yearly, then you will have 2 months extra, so you only have to pay for 10 months. In their website, they have posted comparison with almost all other GPT-3 based writers, but I am not sure who has written these articles and what are the basis on which they have given these grades. Anyhow, it does not matter since they have a free forever plan, so you can always try it and see whether it works out. Their login system is smooth. Let me enlarge it. So you can use your Google account. You can select your Google account, or you can use your Facebook account, or you can use any other email ID. So it depends upon you. Just provide the name of the email ID, and once you've given it, put next. They will give you a confirmation code which you have to enter. After that, you will have to enter the password. Now I already have this registered, and that's the reason you are seeing this password. In your case, you will get a confirmation code which you have to add, and then you have to give a password. Let me just change it and show it to you. If you give any email ID, so see, they will ask you to send a confirmation code. You need that code in order to register. Once you have registered, it's very easy. Let me type my name and login and show you the interface. Once you log in, this is the interface. It is a very smooth interface where all you can do is that you can change the language. These are the language which they support. They have more than 25 language. So Hindi is also available for Indian audience. These are the language which are available. They are adding them. These are the tones. Now I can tell you one thing, depending upon the tones, the text changes. So whether it respects the funny, formal, that's a different thing, but text changes. So you please read the text and then understand. They have a lots of user case, block section, block intro. So you can select variants. If you select 2-3 variants, then you will get 2 or 3 types of text. So as you can see, they have product description, they have SEO meta and song lyrics. Lots of things are there. Let me try a song lyrics for my wife. Write a romantic song for my wife. Let's see what it outputs. Let me select 3 variants and see if it can write convincing songs for my wife. Then, well, this is worth the money. Maybe anything that can impress my wife, it's so welcome. I have been a prisoner. Okay, it wasn't long ago. Okay, you can read the text. Not bad. If I can tweak little bit here and there, then yeah, I will have some sort of text to send to my wife. I also had niches which can also provide you with poems, and to be honest, I have also used that and sent it to my wife, and she was happy. She thought I have written those poems. But anyhow, this was just for fun. What you can do is that you can check the account section. As you can see that This is a free version and hence I have only 500 characters, and by just generating these 3 texts I have already used 1.2 characters. Per month subscriptions are there. You have to add your card details and then you can pay yearly or monthly. They do have coupon code available, so do not forget to add the coupon code. I will suggest you that if you plan to buy their premium, always chat with your support and ask them for some kind of coupon code. When I asked them, they provided with me a 25% discount code. If you are an AppSumo buyer, in that case you will have 30% discount code. For everyone else, they can provide up to 25%. It depends upon you. You can change the name, you can change the email ID. They also have a reward system, so they provide you 1000 credits if you can give reviews. You are free to give your honest review, so that is welcome. They also had the affiliate program, so you can see. You can also check the history, and this is the basic interface. Now, as I have told you, there are many block outlines that you can see. So let me try not convincing, something else. Casual block idea generation for personal finance advice, and let's see what comes out. 5 tips for creating a successful personal finance. This is the header. As you can see, they have already made it H1 tag. You can easily change it to something else also, but this is some welcome. Good. This is a good output. Now if you want to, now it is not to be honest, this is not a true long form editor. What you can do is that you can select a text and then you can ask it to write a paragraph. So it is basically short paragraphs which are added and then it is made into a long form. You can easily change the header, whether you want it to be H1, H2, H3, H3. You can easily change it. So the editor is very smooth. This is something which I liked about Writer. To be honest, one of the most smoothest editor. Okay, as you can see, you can easily change it to your corresponding text. Now, okay, if I want to expand, let me just select it and write paragraph. What it will try is that it is going to keep the tone as you have selected. So on the left hand side you see it is casual, so it has kept that tone and it has written an article. So I can select it once more and I can ask for another paragraph. This way I can generate a long form content. But as I have already told you, I will never suggest you to directly copy paste this article that has been generated by any GPT-3 based writer directly to your website. You can use it to you can use it for backlink purpose, but that's a different case. So just go through this, see whether it works out. One more thing, these AI writers, they work good with some niches and it does not work with some other niches. So kindly use the free version and see whether this will work in your niche. So if you find it useful, only then you can stick with it, either buy their lifetime deal or buy their subscription, depends upon you. But this is very smooth. All I have to do is just select and write paragraph and it will magically generate a paragraph with little to no grammatical errors. So as you can see, there are hardly any errors. You can also write block section, so you can paste it, you can generate it and then just select write for me. Let me change the tone, convincing, and write for me. So it is going to take that topic, how to save and spend your money effectively, that topic as the main header, and it is going to generate some text for me. So it has generated text for me. Go through the text and see whether it works out or not. In my initial trial, I have found that the content is good. You can directly copy paste it and use it. But as I will suggest you, please sign up for their free version because it is free. You have nothing to lose, and then verify whether you want it or not. Now I have purchased their subscription for 1 month. Okay, see, it was a free plan, and I have already used it for generating a few text. I have already used it, but anyhow, by using it, you can get the idea how it works out. It is around 900 characters, so I have used it my 5000 characters limit. It has been used. This will get renewed every month in the free version. And now let me show it to you. Before that, let me show you the history section. So as you can see, whatever text it has generated, you can easily go and see what text it has generated, which tone it was used, and at the end you can report whether the output was poor or not. You can also delete it, or you can ask it to write more like this. And this is a good feature. Now this is my paid account. As you can see, this is the paid account. So in the paid account, if you have the premium, it can generate unlimited. I did pay, but I have not used it for a long period of time. Recently only I am using it in order to generate text, so that I can see whether it works out or not, because I have to renew the premium. As I have told you, they have the plugin, and any text generated from the plugin is saved automatically in the extension folder. So this is something which is good. Let me just open word counter and show it to you how it works out. So anywhere in the internet, if you have a text, just select the text and you will have such kind of pop-up where you can either write paragraph out of it, improve the text, rephrase the text. So it's very easy, whether it is Facebook, Instagram, anywhere in the browser, you can generate text. So this is something which is highly welcome. So let me just go through it and generate a text for you. Depending upon what tone you are selecting, the paragraph generated will be different. As you can see over here, it was inspirational, so they have generated a text based on that inspiration. These are the various things which you can do. You can generate a SEO meta description out of this text. So let me generate one and see. It's a meta description. So YouTube is a video maker. No, okay. Since it was inspiration, so this is something which it gave me. Let me try it convincing. Okay, join a group. Okay, you have to manually read the text and you have to verify whether this is okay or not. Sometimes it does generate good text, sometimes it does not. Anyways, no GPT-3 based writer is perfect. My honest review regarding this writer text will be, it is not bad. It is definitely not bad. It's good. The interface is smooth. It does generate good text. But as I have already told you, this type of AI writers, they are not good with all type of niches. So create a free account and try it. If it works out for you, you can buy their lifetime deal or their membership subscriptions. They have a roadmap over here. All the links will be there in the description, so you can go and check it. The browser extension was recently released. They also have API integration with other apps and file and folder synchronization. Right now you can generate folder, but over here you can easily generate folder and you can put articles within the folder, but you cannot directly drag and drop the content which has already been generated. But they have asked they will edit. They also planning to have SEO analyzers, and additional output tones are also there in their roadmap, so you can suggest them. Their support team is very friendly and are quick. So my final thought will be, get an account and try, and only then buy their subscription.